Versatility and creativity is the focus of this week's edition of the Business Review. A decorative concrete business is offering an alternative to bringing clients' vision to life. Cody and Barrett reports.
Interior and exterior designs in homes and commercial buildings have been a way for owners to express themselves through their property. Amazing Concrete Finishes is fulfilling uniqueness with its custom designs and renovating boring fixtures with decorative concrete. Yannick Sharp is the managing director and has been operating since January 2011. But his journey began as a ship navigator, but soon he realized he was not happy in that field.
After doing some time at sea, came back to Jamaica and I was working with my family business there in construction. And my mother was the one who came with the idea of decorative concrete. She said, Yannick, what do you think about this? Think it's something that we can venture into? And we did some research, went overseas, did some training, came back and started the business.
The business was also funded by his mother in the initial stages. The first 3 to 4 years proved challenging.
And my mom had a 9-to-5. She left that 9-to-5, and then because it wasn't generating enough revenues, she had to go back to her 9-to-5 until after a while where you garner a reputation in the business and it becomes easier and easier year after year.
Refusing to take a loan, he maintained the operations with whatever revenues available and stuck within the budget.
Our first year of profit was about 7%, and then it's been growing year over year by 2 to 3%. So right now we're at about 18% and 19% profit.
He did yearly courses to learn new ways and more about business operations. By 2019, he began seeing more contracts and stable revenues, and he brought on more contractors. With the main focus being residential and commercial properties, clients panicked when the pandemic hit, but he found another sector to tap into.
I said, hey, right now there's a pandemic, all these hotels are closed and they need work to be done. Right now would be the best time to be doing jobs. So I start cold calling all these hotels until I got through to Moon Palace. Did a job for them, got through to Hedonism, did a job for them, and that's what kind of sustained us during the pandemic.
As the business continues to grow, he's looking to forge strategic partnerships because his biggest issue is skill set.
So what I want to do is, see like how you have Heart Institute, I want to have Amazing Concrete Institute, where we train guys and then send them out into the field to work, because Jamaica's biggest problem with the youth is that them can't find any jobs. And the reason is because they don't have a skill. So once I can train the guys, I can guarantee that I have jobs to give to them.
His goal is to hire 1,000 youths by 2030. With the Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.